going to explain is Newton's first law, which basically states an object at rest will stay at rest and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon an unbalanced force, which in the beginning of our machine, you can see our wind-up toy, and everything stays at rest until we set it up and the wind-up toy knocks over all the dominoes and the egg down the tunnel, knocking over the cards and the bouncy ball.
Two more topics involved in our machine are potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy is the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position relative to others, stress within itself, electric charge, and other factors. Kinetic energy is energy that a body possesses by virtue of being in motion. And there's potential energy when this is before the dominoes knock over the egg, so the egg has stored energy that hasn't been released yet. And then it shows kinetic energy when it's actually rolling down the water bottle tube. Another example of this is a kid before and after he's going down a slide. The next law we're going to talk about is Newton's third law, which is for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. The forces here are equal because of gravity keeping both cups at rest, and that is before the ball falls into one of the cups, and they're at an equilibrium because of the string holding the two forces. And then when the ball falls in, you take in part of gravity acceleration, which is 9.8 meters per second squared, and the weight of the ball causing the pulley to become unbalanced, which means that one of the cups will go down and the other will go up.
The next topic we'll be talking about is work, which is activity involving mental or physical effort done in order to achieve a purpose or result. So in this case, it's the pulley. When it reaches the football and hits it, that's the work being done. But then the football goes back and forth, which is its momentum. The momentum is the quantity of motion of a moving body measured as a product of its mass and velocity. But then once the ball gets high enough, it hits the dominoes, which is the work being acted on the dominoes again. The next topic we'll be talking about is friction, which is the force resisting the relative motion of solid surfaces, fluid layers, and material elements sliding against each other. In this machine, after the dominoes knock over the cards and the pool ball over, its initial force is being brought this way, but then the floor and the lines on the floor is acting this way as the friction, and it eventually slows it down to a stop.
Now with the cards knocking down the pool ball, it gains momentum from the initial force, causing a continuous reaction. This reaction is the pool ball hitting the dominoes. The dominoes will knock over, and we have two other pool balls set up here, and that will hit a Jenga block, which will hit another pool ball, resulting in the pool ball hitting the egg, cracking on the picture of Miss White.
She been a, oh, Goldberg, Frank, that's